So with respect to MDM, we also have some advice and some recommendations. First and foremost, we always advise that you implement mobile application management. I talked about this a little bit earlier, but this is really important for BYOD scenarios. You want to make sure that you know exactly what applications are being used to access your resources and potentially what devices are actually authorized. So by implementing MAM, you can ensure that people aren't connecting to their email from a phone that you're not aware of, or using, say, Apple's Mail app versus the Outlook app to actually connect to email or other resources. One thing that MDM does include, almost all of them operate under this configuration, but they allow you to create what's called a secure container. And what that does is it carves out an additional encrypted space on the phone that's tied to the MDM app. And that is the location where any corporate files that you might download onto the phone or other types of data are actually stored that are related to the MDM platform. And this is essentially, what happens is the MDM software is monitoring the devices. And if there's ever an issue with the compliance of that device, maybe somebody tries to jailbreak it, or they haven't updated to the most recent operating system, the MDM program can be triggered to actually lock down that container if the device is ever discovered to be not in compliance. And once that container is locked down, everything inside it is not accessible on the phone at all until the phone is pulled back into compliance. So it's really really powerful and really important that you set that up because it adds that extra layer of protection in case the device gets out of the user's hands, or again, there's some kind of compliance requirement that isn't being met